Hey, this is Sandy, and I have a new DIY kit from Simply Earth. This is the Simply Earth Sunset Float Soap DIY kit. It comes with shea butter soap base. This is a cut, melt, and pour soap base. It comes with the mica powders, the soap mold, everything. So I've already cut up my 26 ounces of soap. I need to go melt it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It is all melted. I am going to, let's see, stir in the essential oil and the safer fragrance oil. We're using Citrus Burst essential oil and Coastal Cactus fragrance oil. So I'm going to go ahead and get these incorporated well. Then we're going to be putting them in 2 separate containers. Now, you don't need to buy anything special for this. I did happen to buy 2 containers to do pouring with, and I bought some soap knives so that I could cut them neatly. So these are incorporated. Let me go ahead and pour things. We're going to be pouring them equally. So let's see, use that mark there. I got these on Amazon, so yeah, I mean, and they're not that expensive. So if you plan on making soap, then you've got them and they'll get used. All right. All right, we got everything pretty much in there and it's pretty equal. All right, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add the mica powders. So we're going to be using yellow gold mica powder. These are so fine, it's crazy. And they seem to get on everything, so you have to be really careful about it. All right, so I just dumped that one in. Let me get the red mica powder. Let me get that dumped in. And I'm going to go and get a couple separate spoons and get them mixed in, and then I'll be back with you. Okay, I've got things mixed. Now, they are under the 125, 135. We're going to slowly pour them together into the mold, creating a swirling pattern, and let's see what happens here. Very pretty. Probably should have kept one of those spatulas out. All right. The great thing about doing cleanup on this is it's all soap, so it'll clean itself basically. All right, I'm gonna set these aside. I need to do the second part, which is I need to melt the rest of the bar. So I've got to cut it up, get it melted to do the next part. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I have the rest of the soap base already melted, and now we're gonna whip it up because whipped cream, sort of. Okay, so I thought I'd be super fancy and I would pipe this in. So let me go ahead and get some of this soap. You can see how thick it's gotten now that it's been whipped up. Trying to, oh, I don't want it to get on the zips. So hold on. Okay. You kind of have to work fast here too, because as it hardens, the soap is gonna be harder to work with. So I'm gonna be piping it onto the soap, which I forgot to add the perfumer's alcohol to so that it would stick. Hopefully it'll work okay. So it's still, oh, here it is. Now it's getting harder to work with. And I have a lot left over, so you know, you can put this in a soap mold and just make another bar of soap, which I will probably do. Or you can remelt it, actually. Oh, well, that's that. Let's see. Oh, I'm just gonna be messy now. Yeah, it's getting harder now because I haven't, I'm not working fast enough, but I've got little straws. So we're gonna cut these and be making little bars of soap, and they're gonna look like little floats. So I've got this part done, and I'm gonna let them harden, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product when they finally harden. It's gonna take a little bit of time. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. It's time to demold this. I am pulling this away. I want you to see I like put the extra foamed, whipped up soap in little soap bar holders, and so I got soap there. All right, here we go. It's loose. I just need to separate it. This is a very thick mold. Goodness. This is very solid bottom. I don't even know how to do this. Ugh. All right, let me work this out and get back with you. All right, it's releasing. I didn't even hardly breathe before it started to come out. There we go. All right, yay. So here we go. Here's our soap. You can see it's the swirls. Got some little extra pieces here. I do have my soap cutter. I'm going to cut down the middle. Oops, it's not down all the way. There we go. And then I'm going to cut these each into thirds. And this is what they look like. Oops. So these are what they look like. They have the little straws. And yeah, so this, oh, I just lost one of the straws. So yeah, this is a really cool soap kit. Let's see. So then you get 6 bars of soap. These are super cute. We're using Citrus Burst and Coastal Cactus fragrance and essential oils. And this is the DIY Melt and Pour soap kit. So anyway, I will leave you the link and the coupon code below. And if you have questions, as always, you can leave them for me. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.